Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We will present our material about leaf, and I sit with Shifa Isha as a moderator, and my friend Khalila Rianti Putri and Najwa Aulia Putri.
Compound leaf. What is compound leaf? A compound leaf has its lamina divided into separate segments called leaflets or pinnae. The leaflets are free, distinct, and attached to the rachis or the petiole tip. Leaflets look like a leaf with a base, stalk, and blade. They differ from a whole leaf as they lack axillary buds, basal stipules, and share the same plane. I will explain to you about the types of compound leaf. Compound leaf have 4 types, but I will explain 2 types first along with their division. The first, pinnately compound leaf. In this type of leaf, main rib is known as rachis. Leaflets are arranged on both sides of rachis, like neem or Azadirachta indica. It is of following types. The first is unipinnate. In this type of leaf, division occurs only once and leaflets are directly attached on both sides of rachis. If the number one of leaflet is even, then leaf is known as parapinnate. If the number one of leaflets is odd, it is known as imparapinnate. You can see how the difference of unipinnate leaf division in this picture. The difference is very obvious. The leaf is even, which means parapinnate. The rake is odd, which means imparapinnate. The next is bipinnate, a twice pinnated compound leaf like acacia, gulmohar, and mimosa. The third is tripinnate, like the name tree. So, a three-pinnated compound leaf, like moringa. The fourth is the compound, a compound leaf which is more than 3 pinnate, like carrot and the others. Oh yeah guys, you can see the difference in the leaf here. The second type of compound leaf is palmate compound leaf. In this type, incursion of leaf are directed from leaf margins to apex of petiole and all of leaflets are attached on the upper end of petiole. It is of following types. The first is unifoliate, when single leaflet is found, like lemon. The second is bifoliate, when 2 leaflets are present, like bahania, bignonia, and the others. You can see the picture in the below. The third is trifoliate, when 3 leaflets are attached, like osalis, eagle, and trifolium. The fourth is tetrafoliate, when 4 leaflets are attached to the petiole, like marcellia. The final of palmate compound leaf is multiviolate. When more than 4 leaflets are found, then the leaf is called multiviolate palmate compound leaf. The example like Cyclocleton. Okay, I have finished explaining the 2 types of compound leaf. Next are the third and fourth types. The third is compound leaf of the pinnate type. It's a compound leaf that has a leaf arrangement like palmate compound leaf, but the 2 leaves at the edge do not sit on the main stalk, but sit on the stalk of the leaflet next to it. For example, in Araceae or Aracema filiforme. The fourth or the final the compound leaf is mixed compound leaf. It's a double compound leaf that has branch of the main petiole spreading like fingers and is located at the end of the main petiole. But when the branches of the main petiole, 3 are leaflets arranged a pinnate manner. Compound leaf are a mixture of finger-like and pinnate compound leaf. For example, the leaf of the Mimosa pudica.
Thanks to the moderator, I will explain the material about phyllotaxis. Phyllotaxis, the arrangement of leaves attached to the stem is called phyllotaxis. Examples of phyllotaxis include opposite, alternate, rosette, rolled leaves, and others. Leaf phyllotaxis ratio or leaf arrangement pattern on the stem. Phyllotaxis ratio A. The number of times the stem must be circled to return a leaf in the same vertical position. B. The number of leaves space while circling the stem, including the first leaf. Example of phyllotaxis. One is opposite superposed. Leaves are positioned opposite each other on the stem. Example is guava or Pisidium guajava. Two opposite decussate. Two leaves at each node are arranged opposite each other with the pairs at successive nodes at right angles. Examples: Calotropis gigantea. 3. Alternate or spiral. Leaves are attached to the stem in a strangled or spiral arrangement. Example is sunflower or Helianthus annus. 4. Rosette. A cluster of leaves from at the base of the stem or root. Example, cabbage, Brassica oleracea. 5th, whorled or verticillate. A leaf arrangement in which 3 or more leaves grow in a circle around a single node on the stem. Example, Austonia scolaris. That's all I have to say. I return to the moderator.
Okay, the next material is specialist or modification of leaf. The modification of leaf help to perform the special function. Okay, for the first is leaf tenders. In some weak stem plants, the leaf or their parts are modified into sensitive spring-like tenders, called the structure called tenders. Leaf tenders is help the plant to climb up a support to expose the foliage to sunlight. Leaf tenders are usually unbranched and devoid of scales. For example, is wild pea. When leaflet is modified into tenders-like structure, then it's called leaflet tenders. For example, is garden pea and sweet pea. Okay, the next is leaf spin. Leaf spin or any parts of leaflet are modified into pointed spin. They protect the plant from the grazing animals and excessive transpiration. For the example is asparagus, aloe vera, and opuntia. Okay, for the 4 is leaf skull. In it, leaf become thin, dry, and form a membrane or paper-like structure and serve to protect actually both in ficus and tamarisk, ruscus, and casuarina. 5 is leaf pitcher. Leaves of some plants are modified to pitcher shape. For example, is Dischidia and Nepenthes. 6 is leaf bladder. In some plants, leaves are modified into bladder-like structure. Example is Utricularia. 7 is leaf hooks. In some plants, terminal leaflets are modified into curved hooks for helping the plants in climbing. For the example is aloe vera and opuntia. 8 is phylloden. In its petal become flat structure and function as normal leaf. Example is Australian acacia. 9 is fleshy leaf. In onion and garlic food, storing fleshy leaves are present. For example is onion.